Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So guys, I want to tell about my drum. This is my family, and forget a moment, and this is my dream, and this is me. First, I want to tell about my family. This is my parents, and I have 4 siblings. The first, my sister, and the second, my sister is the twin, and the first got married and have 2 children, and I have 2 nephews, and the second twin got married. I have 1 nephew, and the third will be married. So number 4 I have, and this is my family. So my dream, I want to around the world, and I want to go Mecca. I want to go to Mecca, and I want to go university if I get scholarship. So I want to open big house because I like big. So I forgot a moment when I go to Mumbai. I'm so happy, and I'm so tired, so funny because I go down. So in my boarding school, I have 4 friends, my bestie. So about me, I was born in Batam at 7th of March 2007. So I like coffee, I like matcha, I like satay. So I like I like bake cake. I like baking. I have 4 siblings, and I am number 4.
What are their names? Siapa nama-nama mereka?
The first name Rizka Alfauza, and number 2 Rizky Alfauza, number 3 Sari Syahira, and number 4 me, Nadina Sisla. And the nephew, the name is, the first Wais, the second is Nifa, and the third Tio. So ang sagot sa naman,
Did you ever do something together? Or did you ever make something together, such as a small party? Nice giving. Okay. So drink.
about my
You want
dream.
to go around the world.
Yeah.
So, what country do you want to visit for the first time? Mecca?
Yeah.
The second is?
Second is I want to go to
first